These are all for application forms, and it also induces Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I am Dr Haroon Rashid. I am a dermatologist. This video in English language is a reply basically to my viewers from abroad who insisted that I should make this video sometime on famous topics in English language. So I am doing this video in English language. Today's topic is a hype and is so in aesthetic medicine and aesthetic skincare that nobody can deny the popularity of rice in aesthetic medicine market. Here we see the rice, which is a basic diet in many of the countries. And in Pakistan, we grow large amounts of rice and are a big exporter of this. This is not only a good food or a basic food for some people, but also has top niche products in the aesthetic medicine all over the world now. Rice is used as rice water, rice bran oil, or rice face washes, or rice flour. These are all for application forms of rice in aesthetic medicine. On rice, first of all, we see what are the benefits which we can derive out of this rice skincare products. Top of all is, this is anti-inflammatory. It has got amino acid, it has got vitamins, it has got mineral, it has got vitamins like B and E, and then the minerals like magnesium, like zinc, and proteins and amino acids. They can make irritated skin or an inflamed skin or highly allergic skin. They can cool it down, they can make it normal. Then it hydrates the skin also due to these components which it have in it, like these vitamins and minerals or amino acids. Then it attains the suppleness and the elasticity of the skin. Then it has whitening effect also, brightening effect also. Age spot and blemishes can be reduced. And then a very important antioxidant is folic acid, which is found in good quantity in rice. This basically an antioxidant, and it reduces the oxidative stress in the skin, making it more younger, and it generates the neocollagenesis process. It restarts them. And then another component that is very important, that is gamma oryzolone. That is basically protective chemical from UVA and UVB and infrared rays, and it also induces very good elasticity and the suppleness of the skin. And then its brand can be used as an exfoliative, that the dead cells be removed and they give a fresh look and good skin, and which is radiates, and that's the exfoliating effect of rice. So in so many products we are using all now there, we are getting creams, we are getting face washes, we are getting exfoliants, and in the end I would request that you can take rice flour, 2 teaspoons, and you can put it in the milk and then can apply on the face for 5 minutes daily, and it will make your skin supple, it will make your skin radiant, and it will exfoliate many of the dead cells. Thank you very much for watching. Please share the knowledge and subscribe my YouTube channel and recommend it for your near and dear ones. Thank you.